Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to transfer American Airlines miles to another person. This is incredibly useful if you want to help a friend or family member book a flight, or if you're pooling miles together for a big trip. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to AA.com. Once you're on the American Airlines homepage, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account that currently holds the miles you want to transfer, as you'll need access to your AAdvantage account for this process. Once you're logged in, look for the AAdvantage tab in the main navigation menu and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, click on Buy Gift or Transfer Miles. This section is specifically designed for moving miles between accounts, whether you're gifting them or completing a transfer. On the next page, you'll see a few different options. Go ahead and select Transfer. This is the option that allows you to send miles directly from your account to another member's account. Now, here's an important reminder before you proceed. You must be an AAdvantage member for at least 30 days to buy, gift, or transfer miles. If your account is newer than that, you won't be able to complete this process yet. But if you meet that requirement, you're good to continue. The next step is to enter the recipient's information. Type in their AAdvantage number and last name exactly as they appear in their account. This is crucial because any mismatch will cause the transfer to fail, so double-check the spelling and number before moving forward. After that, type in the number of miles you want to transfer. Keep in mind that the minimum is 1,000 miles, and it must be in increments of 1,000. So you can transfer 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and so on, but not 1,500 or 2,300. Once you've entered the number of miles, you'll see a fee summary appear on the screen. American Airlines charges $5 per 1,000 miles transferred, plus any applicable taxes. The total cost will be displayed clearly so you can review it before committing. This fee is non-refundable, so make sure you're certain about the transfer. When you're ready, click Continue or Review Transfer, depending on what the button says on your screen. This will take you to the payment page where you'll need to enter your credit card details to cover the transfer fee. Fill in your card information carefully and make sure everything is correct. Before finalizing, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions of the transfer. Once you've done that, click Submit or Confirm Transfer to complete the transaction. The system will process your payment and initiate the transfer right away. After you submit, check your email for a confirmation message. This email will include all the details of your transfer, including the number of miles sent and the recipient's information. The recipient should see the miles appear in their account within 1 to 2 days. Just keep in mind that all transfers are final and irreversible, so there's no going back once it's done. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your American Airlines miles to another person. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.